To solve this system of equations, the easiest method is likely to use elimination. So if we look at the two equations, we have y in both of them, and their coefficient is both -1. Because they're both negative, they have the same sign, negative, negative, so we subtract. Whenever we have the same sign, we always use subtraction. Okay, the first step though would be to line everything up. So my x squareds are lined up, my x's are lined up, y's are lined up. I'm going to bring this 4 over to the other side in equation 1 so that I can line everything up with equation 2. So I'm going to rewrite equation 1, 6x squared plus 4x minus y minus 4 equals 0. Now my constant terms are also lined up. And then I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So 3x squared minus 6x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative x minus 4x would give me negative 5x. Negative y minus y cancels. And negative 2 minus negative 4, so minus a negative, it's like a plus, we get plus 2 equals 0. Now we got to factor this. So if we multiply first term times last term, we need two numbers that will multiply to give us negative 6, and that will add to give us negative 5. So our two numbers are going to be negative 6, positive 1. Now we got to factor this by decomp. So our first term and last term, the negative 3x and positive 2, stay the same. And then we break down the middle term into negative 6 and positive 1. So we'll have negative 6x and 1x. Take out a GCF. Here I can remove a negative 3x. Gives me x minus 2. Here I can take out a negative 1 so that I'm left with the same thing in my brackets. So one of my factors is negative 3x minus 1. The other factor is x minus 2. So when we solve for x here, we're going to get x equals negative 1/3 and x equals 2. Now we can solve for the corresponding y value if we sub back into our original equation. So our first equation, we've got 6 times negative 1/3 squared plus 4 times negative 1/3 minus y equals 4. Now we can use our calculator to solve for the y value here. We end up getting y equals negative 14 over 3, and you can use the store feature in your calculator to verify this, which I've already done, and this is a solution. So here's one of our coordinates. Second one we'll sub in for the 2. 6 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus y equals 4. And when we rearrange to solve for y here, we get y equals positive 28, which again, if you check with your store feature on the calculator, this is the solution. So 2 and 28.